Good morning, children. Today we are going to start chapter 1 from your new grammar and more book of class 8. And the name of the chapter is sentences. So, children, do you know what is sentences? A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. And there are four kinds of sentences. They are declarative or assertive sentences, interrogative sentences, imperative sentences, and exclamatory sentences. We may greet someone, ask questions, make a request or an offer, give advice, etc. using statements, questions, imperatives, and exclamations. So, children, we use declarative sentences to convey information and make statements. For example, these shoes are very expensive. Clear? And what are interrogative sentences? We use interrogative sentences to ask questions. For example, how are you, Alam? Do you have these books? Like that. And these sentences end with a question mark. Next, we use imperative sentences to make requests and give commands, suggestions, or advice. For example, please give me the grocer's phone number. Don't lean out of the window. And the next, exclamatory sentences. So we use exclamatory sentences to express strong emotions. These sentences usually begin with how or what and end with exclamation mark. For example, how nice of you to have come, and it ends with exclamation mark. What a beautiful morning. Clear, students? Now the next topic is affirmative and negative sentences. So, children, what are affirmative and negative sentences? First, we will start with affirmative sentences. Affirmative sentences affirm or state something. For example, yesterday there was terrible fog in Delhi. And what is negative sentences? Negative sentences deny or negate something. For example, no plane could take off from the Delhi airport. Declarative, interrogative, and imperative sentences can be written in the negative sentences. For example, I could not have written this faster. Couldn't you have come earlier? Do not be late again. Generally, negative sentences can be changed into affirmative ones, and affirmative sentences can be changed into negative ones without changing the meaning of the original sentences. For example, Dhruv is more generous than me. This is affirmative sentences. And what will be the negative of this? I am not as generous as Dhruv. So here it is changing, but without changing its meaning of the original sentences. Clear, children? Now the next topic is yes or no questions. So, children, some questions can be answered with a yes or no. For example, can you help me with my chart? Yes, I can. How we will answer? Yes, I can. Did Rani speak to the manager on the phone? So what will be the answer? Yes, she did. Now, what is question tags? Sometimes when we need to ask for confirmation of our statement, we add a question tag. A question tag is a mini question at the end of a statement. A question tag consists of an auxiliary verb and a subject. So, with a positive statement, we use a negative question tag, and with a negative statement, we use a positive question tag. For example, you will remember to finish the work, won't you? Here we are using a negative question tag with a positive statement, and with a negative statement we use a positive question tag. For example, this fan isn't working. Is it? Clear, children? So here our chapter 1 is completed. So you have to read all the topics once again, and I will send you the book exercises, so you have to complete it in your book itself. Till then, stay safe and healthy at home. Thank you.